Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Friday, February 2nd. We've seen the rain from last night clear out east of the area, and we will be seeing clouds slowly decreasing throughout the day with cold temperatures and breezy winds. Taking a look at our conditions across the Mid-Atlantic yesterday, we did see an unseasonably warm day across the area with many locations reporting temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, with some locations even exceeding 60 degrees down the tidewater. This morning's low was rather mild across the area with many locations in the mid to upper 30s, but those temperatures are expected to fall throughout the day, so it's likely we've already seen our high temperature earlier this morning, as we do expect temperatures to drop into the mid to lower 30s by this afternoon and then into the 20s by late this evening. We did see about a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain across the Mid-Atlantic last night with the system that rolled through. The highest amount was Dover with just over a quarter of an inch of rain. And then areas farther to our north near D.C. and Baltimore received just under a tenth of an inch. Taking a look at our conditions as of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures in the 40s to our south, and then temperatures in the mid-30s across the Delmarva, and then cooler temperatures below freezing up near the nation's capital. Do anticipate temperatures to continue to fall throughout the area as we go into later today. We are seeing clouds still cloudy to mostly cloudy across many locations. We do anticipate those clouds to clear out pretty quickly as we go into the late morning hours and the early afternoon, becoming mostly sunny by early afternoon. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing some breezy northwesterly winds at the surface. We are under a wind advisory and do anticipate that wind advisory to continue throughout the workday today. Just above the surface, we are seeing winds increase from the northwest to 35 knots at 3,000 feet, then becoming westerly at 55 knots at that 6,000 foot level, and then we are seeing southwesterly winds across the remainder of the column with quite a strong jet overhead, with winds increasing all the way up to 134 knots at that 25,000 foot level. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, we can see here that rain that moved through the area this morning did see a little bit of a mixture across northern portions of the Delmarva, but temperatures did remain warm enough to remain all rain across central and southern portions. That rain has since moved off to the east, and you can see that cloud band behind it that is quickly clearing off as well, and we do anticipate clouds to become partly cloudy as we move towards the lunchtime hour. Those winds have turned northwesterly behind this front, and that will be ushering in that colder, drier air mass that will help to clear the skies out and give us some unseasonably cold temperatures today and into tonight. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region. See that front offshore now, and we do have a large area of some Canadian high pressure now building in, and that pressure gradient is going to tighten across the area, helping to give us some gusty winds throughout the day, as well as ushering in that colder, drier air mass, and that high pressure will continue to move eastward, and then tomorrow it's going to settle over the area, giving us some lighter winds, but continuing to give us unseasonably cold temperatures as that air mass is in place. Taking a look at our forecast charts here, we're going to be seeing high pressure slowly move closer to the area throughout the day. As we go into this evening, that pressure gradient is going to start to relax a little bit, so we will see winds weaken around 8 p.m. this evening, still remaining slightly breezy at times, though, as we go into the late evening hours into around midnight. As we go into tomorrow, that high pressure will be closer to the area, building over the Mid-Atlantic. That will help to continue to slowly weaken those winds. And then by tomorrow morning, the high pressure will be just west of the area. So we're going to see those winds lighten quite a bit, and then with a combination of that and the clear skies, we are going to be seeing a very cold low tomorrow in the mid to upper teens across the Delmarva. For tomorrow afternoon, we're going to continue to see cold temperatures tomorrow, expecting highs in the mid-30s across the region. High pressure is then going to shift offshore as we go into the afternoon to evening hours, and that is going to help to turn those winds more southerly. So we are expecting a low tomorrow, or a Saturday night, to happen earlier, and as we get the southerly flow slowly injecting a warmer air mass and some more cloud cover into the region late Saturday. As we go into Sunday, we are going to have our next system approach the area, and we are going to be seeing a warmer day on Sunday in advance of this system, and then we should be seeing some rainfall across the area by the early afternoon hours, and that rain is going to persist across the region as we go into Sunday evening and Sunday night, and it is going to be moving out of the area by early Monday as high pressure once again builds into the area to start our next work week. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we did see that rain end across the area by about 8:30 this morning. We are going to continue to see skies slowly clear throughout the day. Winds are already gusting above 25 knots as we are in a wind advisory, and we do anticipate that wind advisory to continue throughout the day today. We're expecting temperatures to continue to fall with our high temperature already occurring this morning. We will see those temperatures drop below freezing as we go into the late afternoon hours, continuing to plummet as we go overnight under mostly clear to clear skies. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're going to be seeing just some ceilings around that 4,000 foot level throughout the remainder of the morning hours. And then this afternoon, those lower level clouds will be clearing out to just a few to scattered at 4,000 feet. And then tonight we'll see those lower level clouds clear out as well, becoming mostly clear to clear. Could see a few very thin cirrus clouds in at 25,000 foot level creep into the area overnight and into tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our 3-day forecast, we are going to see mostly sunny skies early, becoming partly cloudy late, with a very cold high of 33 degrees tomorrow. Winds are going to be fairly light throughout the day with high pressure overhead. Not expecting any weather hazards for tomorrow or into Saturday night. We are going to be seeing southerly winds increase Saturday night with a early low of 29 degrees expected, as well as increasing cloud cover. And then on Sunday, we are going to see mostly cloudy skies early, becoming overcast by the afternoon, with rain showers in the afternoon and evening. We are going to be seeing slightly breezy winds as well as that pressure gradient tightens as that system crosses the area. We're going to see a slightly above average high of 49 degrees, and we will be seeing that rain continue through the evening and overnight hours on Sunday, moving out of the area by early Monday morning. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we are going to be in a pretty progressive pattern as we go into next week, seeing periods of sunshine and rain for the extended period. Like I said, Saturday is going to be cold with that high pressure locking that colder air mass in place. Sunday is going to be warmer as southerly winds return in front of our next system, giving us that rain for Sunday evening and Sunday night. Monday, we are going to have cooler high pressure building over the area. Not quite as cold as we have been seeing, so just expecting a seasonable day for Monday and Tuesday with temperatures in the low to mid 40s as weak high pressure reigns over the area. On Tuesday night, we are going to be seeing that high pressure shift to the east once again, giving us more southerly flow in advance of our next system anticipated for Wednesday. Wednesday's system does look to be a little bit wetter, so expecting a decent amount of rain on Wednesday, and then that system should be moved out of the area by Wednesday evening, with high pressure building into the area again on Thursday for another fairly seasonable and cooler day with a high of 40. That'll do it for your today's weather briefing. We'll be back at 8:15 a.m. Monday morning and at 10 a.m. Have a great weekend.